The respiratory tract, from the sinuses to the alveoli, is often categorized into upper and lower components. While the upper and lower airways have a primary function in serving as a conduit for moving air in and out of the lungs to achieve gas exchange, they have important functional and anatomic differences. The upper airway is involved in humidifying, warming, and filtering inspired air. In contrast, the lower airway derive their structure from connective tissue, interspersed cartilaginous rings, and smooth muscle, which is responsible for airway tone and bronchoconstriction. Despite these differences, the airways share exposure to inhaled air, have a physical connection, and have similar cell linings and immune responses. For example, the respiratory mucosa of the upper and lower airways include a number of specialized cell types that comprise a pseudostratified cell layer anchored to a basement membrane. Goblet cells play a central role in the synthesis and secretion of mucus, and ciliated airway epithelial cells propel this mucus upwards towards the mouth, where it can be swallowed or expectorated. They also produce various antimicrobial peptides that prevent microbes from colonizing the airways. Club cells help detoxify harmful substances inhaled into the lungs, and cell junctions keep the epithelial barrier intact and prevent various substances from reaching the subepithelial space. Infectious and non-infectious insults are sensed by a diverse set of pattern recognition receptors, such as toll-like receptors. This sensing system allows rapid responses to an enormous range of inhaled particles. The basic set of receptors is similar across the entire airway, and the initial inflammatory cascade initiated in response to activation of the pattern recognition system is also very similar. Both upper and lower airway epithelium release a set of potent cytokines termed alarmins that include TSLP, IL-25, and IL-33. They play critical roles in initiating recruitment of immune cells, the release of additional cytokines, production of mucus and nitric oxide, and cellular changes that lead to airway remodeling and ultimately drive asthma symptoms. Given the shared underlying cell biology and immune control mechanisms between the upper and lower airway, the unified airway concept considers the connectedness of the respiratory tract as critical to understanding the frequent co-occurrence of upper and lower airway disease in individual patients.